When our YouTube channel was first founded, we literally just did vlogs, and I kind of miss that actually. But a lot of those vlogs just didn't get watched, so we just recorded our projects. Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of Bubba's Garage. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. Guys, I needed to make this like a separate video because today I'm going to talk about some other YouTubers out there. And the reason I'm doing that is because over the years we've gotten stickers from those YouTubers, and I kind of wanted to talk about them. I have to rip all these stickers off of this cabinet because we're going to clean these cabinets up, and we're taking, well, the 3 hanging cabinets, and we're taking them and installing them at Corey's garage here in the next couple of days. And a lot of these YouTubers, I mean, they're really good friends. We still know each other today, things like that. And it's kind of like heartfelt that I got to take all these off because I don't really have replacements. And I just wanted to take a moment and give these guys some shout outs. So please, if you like any of these or are interested in any of these channels, definitely check the link there in the description. I'll do the best that I can to put all of those links in there. But right now, it is
mail time!
So we're going to start out with Drive Shaft Drew up there in Canada. That's right, he's all the way from Canada. The cool thing, let me tell you something about Drive Shaft Drew. That guy knows his stuff, and I mean, he's all over the place. I mean, he's literally almost a Bubba. Because, well, he's probably like the king of Bubbas because he goes fishing, and I don't go fishing. I really don't. Straight 6 fan is a garage guy just like us. He does a lot of garage stuff. Really good guy. And he likes Jeeps. He likes Jeeps. But the thing is, he actually also sent us a letter.
Bubba TV, though I'm relatively new to the Jeep scene, I enjoy watching your reviews, like the Trailhawk video, and installs on the different models. Keep the camera rolling and enjoy a sticker, Grant.
The Bobcat guy is up there in Canada as well, but I think he has changed the channel, so I'm not sure if it's still the Bobcat guy or not. I'll do the best that I can to check for his link and see.
Hello Chris and family, loving your channel. I think the first vid I watched from yours was the fish tank one. After that I was hooked. Papa Texas told me about your channel. I'm sending you to my channel stickers. I hope I can get yours off my board.
Chaos Garage, really good guy. Man, this guy here, he's got the ultimate garage. He bought the garage and they happened to come with a house, so he was really good. 4-wheelers, he was working on a Honda the other day, and yeah, actually he rebuilt the carburetor. The thing is, I didn't rebuild mine, I replaced it. Vlog from the Bog. Now, he's changed things up. He's not this, it's not the title on his channel anymore, but his name's Barry. He's a really cool guy. He's got a lot of skits on his channel, like jokes and things like that, but he loves photography. He loves doing this video stuff.
It is me.
That's right, we have Barry, Vlog from the Bog. Panorama, survival mindset. That's a really cool one if you're looking for some survival stuff. They do a lot of survival gear stuff. If you're into the survival thing at all, man, Justin's got his crap together. And better than that, if you want like a 50 cal beer bottle opener, you know what I'm saying? He's got them. And of course, if you followed us for a really long time, you probably know about Backyard Life Gear. We did a big video on their products right here on our channel, and it was actually it was fun. It was in the middle of a hurricane, so it was pretty cool. Trust me, babe, it's worth it. Okay, I have an idea. We need to take the top off. By the sound, it's about to go down. Shalisa Shell, that's another survivalist channel, so that'd be pretty cool. So if you're interested in survival ones, right there. Twisted Metals. And this guy right here, he custom drew that, so we were pretty impressed with his artistic abilities. Man, I was watching him the other day. He was milling an AR lower. I mean, literally in his own garage. It's like pretty impressive because I can't do that. Hodgepodge Garage is really awesome. You probably remember I think it was the ART4, the walker from Star Wars. He actually custom built one, and we actually won that. We have it here, is on display in my studio. So check out that video of that build. That was really cool. Built it out of car parts. It was pretty impressive. Your Trash My Treasure, this guy is very artistic, very creative. So you notice a lot of these are like survival, outdoorsies, you know, creative type stuff. So definitely check them out. We also have a Buzz. This guy, right, man, I'll tell you what, anything electronic, he knows it, man. He's got it. But it's straight up garage shop stuff. Weekend review, of course. Keith, guy, buddy, I really appreciate the weekend review sticker. And I already know this, most of you guys don't, but he just changed his channel here recently. It is now Keith TV. So this sticker is like really valuable. AKA Our Life. Now they've changed their channel to cater more towards the 80s theme. So a little bit different than what they used to be doing, but it's really good people. Papa Texas. Papa PT, that be me. Papa Texas rocks. Fact of the matter is, he's right here in the state of Texas, and we are definitely going to be doing a collab very soon. Texas is what it's all about. Everything's bigger in Texas. You can't go wrong with it. Papa Texas stick. It's a really good guy, especially doing gardening. There's some gardening stuff there. There's also some cooking videos, which is really cool. And then Vidub Camper is overseas there, not in the United States. I think it's the UK. So there's a camping channel there off of in the UK. Lone Star Rider, we just met with them over at Texas Outdoor Expo. Known him for many years. That's the first time we've ever met.
I've been traveling around the United States for the last 3.5 years, raising awareness and money for the cure to diabetes in memory of my son.
Flint and Steel, man, this is a really great guy. If you're looking for knives, that's definitely the place to go. He's got his stuff together. Not only does he know his knives, he knows his weapons, he knows all the survival techniques. He could probably start fires 15 different ways, and honestly, I've only heard of like 3, and that's recently. And then in Farm Boy and Farm Boy's Garage, man, anything and everything. It's kind of our peeps, straight up. Do the best you can with what you got. This is the guy that's going to do it. And he just got through, well, I don't know that he's done. I don't know that he'll ever be done, but he's been renovating an old farmhouse. So it's really cool. Rusty's Glove Box, man, this guy's, man, he is a genius in the garage. There's nothing this guy can't build. So again, a lot of these are all that kind of stuff. Massachusetts Prepper, that's more of your survival stuff. Please, guys, if you do me a favor and you're in the Beard Strong Challenge and you have your own Beard Strong journey, well, check the description below. I have a link to Massachusetts Prepper, and well, tell him Bubba needs some of that beard stuff. This channel doesn't exist, I don't believe, anymore. This was Frog Tack, but it was more of a survival thing as well. And then Kim Williams is a homestead channel there. So guys, I'm going to do the best that I can to leave all the links to all these channels in the description. If you need to, go back, take a look at it. This is all survival stuff. It's homesteading, it's campers, it's garage peeps, kind of the same stuff that we do here. Now, when our YouTube channel was first founded, we literally just did vlogs, and I kind of miss that actually, but a lot of those vlogs just didn't get watched, so we just recorded our projects. Most of our projects were Jeep related, and they continue to be Jeep related and continue to be rig related. Coming up really soon, I have some mods coming up for the rig. So guys, if you're interested in any of these channels, definitely go check them out. I'll leave some links there in the description. If you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you really like this video and you want to stick around and find out what happens next right here on Bubba's Garage, please subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Good night, everybody.